Hey guys, Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida, and I'm here to show you this working play Toro. It's a V-nose model. You'll notice here we have two tall dual propane tanks, little storage area here in the front. You have an awning here to the left with LED lighting underneath. Nice, beautiful blue color for 2015. Nitrogen-filled tires. There's your ramp. Alright, stepping here to the other side. This door opens for a TV that swivels out that you'll see just in a moment. Alright, let's take a look inside. Alright, now that we're inside, we see a nice gray color all around. Double door Dometic fridge with a triple burner stove. Nice sink area here. Here in the rear area you have the ability to have, it's a little dark, sorry about that, but you have the ability to have your toy here. On either side is the bed area. And you also have a bunk bed that comes down as well, so you can sleep up to 4 people here. Alright, so one moment. Here's the TV area. That TV swivels out. Plenty of cabinet space here as well. Alright, and the main feature of this RV is the big bathroom. Have a bench area here. Under that bench is actually some more storage. Nice big shower. Nice mirrored place here. You can see me there. Lots of nice cabinet space there. Floor flush toilet. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 772-288-2221. Thanks so much for watching.